Good morning everyone. In this video I'll be showing you an example of what I eat in a day as a vegetarian. For breakfast, one of my current favourites is just Wheat Bix. I've been trying to be healthier lately and I figured that they're probably one of the healthiest cereals out there. So I just had 2 Wheat Bix with some light milk, and I also love adding half a banana for some extra flavour and goodness. For lunch today, I'm having a small protein-filled meal in that I'm having some mushrooms which I am just slicing here. Then in a pan, I'm cooking them in a small amount of butter. And while they're cooking, I'm taking some of this fresh baby spinach and washing a few handfuls of that. And then I'm just adding that to the pan. And lastly, I'm just adding a piece of one of my favourite marinated tofus which I cooked up the night before. Now, it's super important to stay hydrated throughout the day, and one of the things I've loved doing recently is getting some fresh mint out of the garden and then adding that to a bottle of water. Then, as an afternoon snack, I've recently discovered this honey-flavoured Greek yogurt which is super yummy, and it goes really well with some frozen raspberries. And then for my dinner I had some fresh broccoli, some sweet potato chips baked in the oven, and also this eggplant dish here which is so yummy, and all it literally is just sliced eggplant and garlic topped with tinned tomatoes, herbs and cheese. So that was everything I ate today. I also had French vanilla ice cream for dessert, but I just totally forgot to film it. Obviously, each day is a little different. Some days I eat nice and healthy like this if I've been inspired and motivated, but other days I can eat not so healthy. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, and I would love if you guys could subscribe too. Also, if you have any questions about being a vegetarian, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. So that's all for today, and I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.